We just got back from Honolulu. I need water. We shared this half of a loaf of bread from Costco. We'd never tried it yet before. It's really good. It's Golden Harvest bread. It's $8 for 2 pounds. It's a little bit expensive, but there's no oil in here. And it's really tasty. Got pumpkin seeds on the top. Bought 2 loaves, and it's really good. Let's see what we got in here. We were gone for 3 weeks, so we did our best to clean out the refrigerator. The only thing fresh really we got left is about a pound of carrots. And we got a box of dates. Really, we did a good job of cleaning it all out. We got some pita chips for snacking. Candace is gonna make, what are you gonna make?
Hummus.
Hummus to dip it in so it won't be all just snacks. Here's a rare look at inside our pantry. We got some sugary rice rollers, lentils, some walnuts for baking. Haven't opened them yet. Stewed tomatoes and tomato paste. Not much of those snacks left either. Some peanuts, raisins, fruit snacks for the grandkids, and prunes haven't been opened yet. There's our every morning breakfast, steel cut oats, and there's some regular oats, rolled oats, and an easy way for tomato sauce. As far as to have it on pasta, it's just ready. Let's have a look at what we bought. We got some new shorts. We know what we need now as far as summer goes. Some 32s. And Candace knows she needs a new snorkel and mask. So they had them at Costco, just under 40 bucks. Pretty high-end US divers. Got some mushrooms, not really fresh, but just quickly covered. And maple syrup. Didn't know if we needed any, but if there's any doubt, we always buy it. And this organic tomato sauce was on sale, so we bought 2 of them. We'll put them in the basement. Spuds, man, 15 pounds. The yellow spuds and what's that? That's only 5.5 pounds of organic sweet potatoes. 2 bags of organic bananas. Hopefully we got a good watermelon. Haven't tried these organic Pink Lady apples. They are the best. 2 packs of those. Navel oranges. Yum yum. Yellow peaches. That's obviously South American this time of year, but they're about ready, so I'm hopeful. Put Dave's Killer Bread in the freezer for emergencies when I just want some bread. And the fruit snacks, the grandkids' fruit snacks was on sale again, and we'll put those in the basement for when the jar runs out. Got some baby portobellas, Brussels sprouts, pound of spinach, broccoli, asparagus, and like I was telling you, another one of these yummy breads. We'll be picking up the grandkids in 2 weeks, so we'll be getting more what we actually need. This was about $250 with the shorts and the flippers, so it was just under $200 for the food. But yeah, we're back. It's 50 degrees in Montana, no snow here. I'm a little bit worried about the moisture for the summertime, but I guess we'll ride our bikes tomorrow. Find a positive in it. Thanks for coming along.